wishing each one of you a very happy Friendship Day. Hello everybody, today I have come with Sniffles, the crocodile, Punch, the butterfly. So the story is about an unusual friendship between the crocodile and the butterfly. Let's hear it. What's the story about? Yes, friendships can be unusual beyond borders, beyond colors, beyond anything. And it's all about acceptance. Accepting each other the way we are. And sometimes friends are even closer than family. Let's hear it. In the swamp on the far side of the far forest lived Sniffles, the crocodile. Sniffles was always crying big crocodile tears, going sniff, sniff. Even his mom was quite tired of him and would say, "Stop sniveling and crying, start behaving like a crocodile. Go hunt for food." But Sniffles would burst into tears at the thought of eating another animal. So mom and dad had to feed Sniffles every day. Sniffles didn't want to be a crocodile. "I'm so ugly," he thought, bursting into tears. At drop of the hat, he would burst into tears. He didn't even want to live like crocodiles do. His best friend was Punch, a golden yellow butterfly. And Punch wanted to be big and strong. So Punch always had her feeler curled into a fist, saying, "Look out, I'll punch you in the mouth." They made a very funny pair. Sniffles swimming with Punch perched on his head. The other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of them. That didn't bother Sniffles. He continued crying, sniffling, and being friends with Punch. One sunny afternoon, Punch settled herself near Sniffles' ear and told him, "I have seen two men come this way with guns. They want to kill crocodiles for their skins." "Don't these men have skins of their own?" asked a puzzled Sniffles. "I don't know, Sniffles," replied Punch. "Tell the other crocodiles and hide." "But Punch, they might shoot you." "Oh, what will I do?" cried Sniffles, sobbing loudly. "People catch butterflies with nets and pin them on a board. My grand-aunt told me," said Punch and flew away. The other crocodiles heard Sniffles crying and shouting, "Men coming to kill us! Hide! Hide! Hurry!" At first, the crocodiles didn't believe Sniffles, but then they heard the men's footsteps. The crocodiles went deep into the river and left some rotten logs floating on the water. The men shot at the logs, which looked like crocodiles from afar. The men couldn't see any crocodiles, only hundreds of butterflies that flew into their faces and hair. Shaking their heads and trying to brush off butterflies, they said, "There are no crocodiles here. We'll bring nets and catch the butterflies." And off they went. All the crocodiles got together and said, "Thank you, Punch. Thank you, butterflies." The next day, Sniffles saw men with nets. He remembered Punch telling him about nets. "Punch, the nets! Come here, quick!" The men and the nets have come. All the crocodiles came on the river bank. The butterflies settled on the backs and heads of the crocodiles. A few of the crocodiles made a circle around the men. As they came close, the crocodiles snapped their jaws. Sniffles was in front, gnashing his teeth and whipping his tail around most menacingly. The men were so frightened that they took to their heels and ran right off the swamp. The other crocodiles were very proud of Sniffles as he had acted like a crocodile. Now Sniffles was also proud to be one. All the butterflies flew around the crocodiles, fluttering their wings. Thank you, Sniffles. Thank you, crocodiles. It's all right, said Sniffles shyly. That's what friends are for, to take care of each other. And the story of. Now you are going to write in the comment box what was his name and why was their friendship so unique. We accept friends the way they are. We are there for each other, and at times friends are even better than family. So have a friend in life and cherish them for lifelong. Wishing each one of you a very happy Friendship Day. This is Indu Punj signing off.